Hello everyone, I am Diksha Mishra.
I am Divya.
Are here to present our project on the topic Smart Irrigation Management Program, and our team name is Smart Divine. So here we are with a revolutionary solution to empower our gardener and our Mother India. We all know that our gardeners work so hard under immense hotness, and then also they struggle with the problems like overwatering, underwatering, which threatens the crop India and also our Mother India. So basically, me and Divya are here with a solution of this of mobile app named Smart Gardening. Here we have some key features in our mobile app, which are first, sensor. So there will be a sensor in the agricultural field which will be wireless, and we will be having a sensor icon on our mobile apps. So basically, when we will tap on this icon in our mobile app, then the sensor present in the agricultural field will detect the moisture level in the soil and thereby directly give to the smartphones. And then when the farmers, and then the graph will be shown, a graph will be shown to the farmers which will tell the moisture level depth in the soil, and this will help the farmers with knowing the required amount of the water to give to the crops. And hereby there will be savage of the water as there will be no overwatering, and also when the required amount of the water will be given to the crops, then the crops will be healthy. And so the benefits of our project is water management, water conservation, healthy crops, and time savage of the farmers. Thank you.